The local teaching fraternity has been plunged into mourning after a seventh teacher has passed away in an 8-day period. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Students and staff at the Charlemont High School in Ewerton, St. Catherine are now in mourning following the passing of Senior Vice Principal Jennifer Giddon. Giddon, who was age 62, passed away after a protracted illness. She started at the high school in September 1988 and was appointed to the post of vice principal in September 2006. She was described by her colleagues as a great person who brought out the best in those she came in contact with. Vice Principal Mark Ware, who worked with Giddon for 20 years, told reporters that she had impacted the lives of students and staff, noting that the school had a special place in her heart. Miss Giddon became the seventh teacher to pass away in Jamaica in an 8-day period. She passed away while en route to hospital on Wednesday. President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Winston Simmet, expressed concern and noted that most of the cases are sudden death. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and provide more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.